So 4 different fountains in this evil ensemble effect kit. And we have to scratch items 2 and 3. So if you're following along, we're going to skip to number 4 next, which is going to be Hornet's Swarm. 19 shots, 6 in a case. So Hornet Swarm is an RDX case. This is their mold technology. So that was Hornet Swarm, and War Shield is up next. Item number 5, 12 shots, War Shield. War Shield is also from the RDX line. So RDX has cool mold technologies or molded cakes made by Raccoon's fully automatic assembly line. So you've got great consistent quality every time on these. They're about half the size of traditional cakes, but they've got the same powerful height and performance with lower shipping costs. So check out the RDX line of cakes from Raccoon. That was War Shield you just saw go up. Coming up next is number 6, Scarlet Blitz. This is 16 shots, packed 8-1. Scarlet Blitz is also from that RDX cake line. Long hanging gold theme on this one. That was Scarlet Blitz. We're scratching number 7 and going on to number 8, Seattle Sizzle. This is a 20 shot, packed 8-1, another RDX cake. Great price point on all these RDX cakes, so be sure to stop by the Raccoon booth and ask about them. That was Seattle Sizzle, number 9. Arch Sentinels, 24 shot, packed 6-1. Got a burst of rapid fire shots in the middle, which adds a nice level of intensity. This is also from the RDX cake line. That was Arch Sentinels. Number 10 is Cornstorm. Some really neat red strobing willow effects on this one. Cornstorm is also part of the RDX line. That was Cornstorm. Here comes number 11, Tornado Alley. 24 shots from the RDX cake line. 6 in a case on this one. That's Tornado Alley just finishing up. Up next is number 12 from the RDX cake line, Ole Boom, 7 shots, packed 12 in a case. Large breaking palms. That was Ole Boom. Here's number 13, Delta Beat Wave. 9 shots from RDX cake line, 8 in a case. Golden Willows and Silver Spiders. All right, we've got a scratch number 14, which is Long Star Ignition. That was Delta Beat Wave you just watched. Here's number 15, Simply Azure from the Blue Series. This is 30 shots, a Blue Dreamer's Paradise. 30 shots of all blue. All right, that was Simply Azure. Here's number 16, Firepower Barrage, 160 shot zipper cake, full of strobing color. Firepower Barrage. We're skipping number 17, sending up number 18 instead. This is the Z Slugger 6-inch canister shell. And number 19 is Freedom Blaze, 108 shots. This is a 1,500 gram finale set with 3 cakes. That was Freedom Blaze. Here's